Hello students, I welcome you all to our third revision video class. In today's class, we are going to revise the topic movement of the earth. The earth has two different ways of movements. They are rotation and revolution. Children, first we are going to see the rotation of the earth. The earth spins or turns around its own axis from west to east. This movement is called the rotation of the earth. The earth rotates in a slightly slanted position as its axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Children, how much time earth takes to complete one rotation? The earth takes 1 day or 24 hours to complete one rotation. Children, how does earth's rotation cause day and night? In our solar system, the sun is located at the center, while the earth goes around it. The side of the earth which faces the sun experiences daytime, while the other side experiences night. This cycle of day and night is caused due to the continuous rotation of the earth. Children, next we are going to see the revolution of the earth. Revolution is the movement of the earth along a fixed path called the orbit. The earth's orbit is oval or elliptical in shape. It takes 365 days and 6 hours or 365 and 1/4 days for the earth to complete one revolution around the sun. Children, how much time earth takes to complete one revolution? The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Children, but the calendar shows 365 days in a year. Every fourth year, 1 day is added to February to make it 29 days. So children, a leap year comes once every 4 years. Children, now we are going to discuss about seasons. Children, do you have any idea about seasons and how seasons are caused? Seasons are caused due to two reasons: the tilt of the earth's axis, the revolution of the earth around the sun in a fixed path. Okay children, I will ask one question to you. What are the 4 main seasons in India? There are 4 seasons in India: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay children, now we are going to discuss the chapter 3 book exercise. Copy these answers in your book. Okay, first one, fill in the blanks. First question: dash and dash are the seasons that occur when the earth is tilted neither directly towards nor away from the sun. Answer is spring and autumn. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called dash. Answer is revolution. Third question: the longest night in the southern hemisphere. is observed on dash. Answer is June 21st. Fourth one, the earth complete one rotation in dash hours. Answer is 24 hours. Fifth one, dash is a fixed path on which the earth revolves around the sun. Answer is orbit. Children, next one, tick the correct option. First question, the movement of the earth about its axis is called dash. Answer is rotation. Second question, the longest day in the northern hemisphere is observed on dash. Answer is June 21st. Third question, the earth completes one revolution in dash. Answer is 365 days. Fourth question, when the northern hemisphere receives direct sunlight, it experiences dash. Answer is summer. Fifth question, an imaginary line that passes through the north and south poles. Answer is axis. Children, we are going to discuss the worksheet. Then check your answers. Children, first one, choose the correct answer. First question, dash is the imaginary line on which the earth rotates. Answer is axis. Second question, the earth is tilted at an angle of dash degrees. Answer is 23.5 degrees. Third question, the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is dash. Answer is 24 hours. Fourth question, the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution is dash days. Answer is 365 and 1/4 days. Fifth question, the year in which February has an extra day is called the dash year. Answer is leap year. Sixth question, the earth will complete 5 revolutions round the sun in dash. Answer is 5 years. Seventh question, during summer we experience dash. Answer is longer days and shorter nights. Eighth question, day and night are caused due to dash. Answer is rotation. Ninth question, longest day in the northern hemisphere is dash. Answer is June 21st. 10th question, the sun rises late and sets early in dash. Answer is winter. Children, next we are going to see fill in the blanks. First question, the fixed bar along which the earth revolves around the sun is called its dash. Answer is orbit. Second question, there are dash kind of movements of the earth. Answer is 2. Third question, shape of the earth's orbit around the sun is dash. Answer is oval. Fourth question, leap year occurs once in dash years. Answer is 4 years. Fifth question, dash and dash discovered that the earth is sphere and it spins on its axis. Answer is rotation and revolution. Sixth question, the two ends of the axis of the earth are the dash and the dash. Answer is North Pole and South Pole. Seventh question, the movement of the earth round the sun is called dash. Answer is revolution. 8th question. A leap year has dash days. Answer is 366 days. 9th question. The revolution of the earth caused by dash. Answer is season. 10th question. The imaginary line passing through the center of the earth dash. Answer is equator. Children, next one, write true or false. First question. The earth takes 24 hours to revolve around the sun. Answer is false. Second one. The axis is an imaginary line running from north to south through the center of the earth. Answer is true. Third question. The earth's axis is tilted slightly. Answer is true. Fourth question. The earth rotates from east to west. What is answer? Answer is false. Fifth question. The completes one revolution in 366 days. Answer is false. Sixth question. Revolution causes day and night. Answer is false. Seventh question. The length of the days and nights are same throughout the year. Answer is false. There are 2 seasons on earth. Answer is false. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Answer is true. 10th question. The earth completes one revolution in 366 days. Answer is false. Children, next one, match the following. First one, axis. Answer is imaginary line on which the earth spins. Second question, orbit. Answer is path on which the earth revolves around the sun. Third question, the year 2012. Answer is was a leap year. Fourth question, rotation. Answer is 24 hours. Fifth question, revolution. Answer is 365 and 1/4 days. Sixth question, spring and autumn. Answer is have pleasant weather. Seventh question, long nights and short day occur. Answer is during winter. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. Okay children, I hope you understand the chapter clearly. Thank you.